Hi Charles! Today I'm going to show you how HadiMap works with map data and how I'm doing the routing. Okay, let's have a deep look inside HadiMap. HadiMap has a standard API for developers, and here you can see API reference, which includes all properties, methods and events. There are two principal types of data: vector and raster. First of all, rasters. Raster data are some bitmap or PNG file with 256 pixel wide, like this. The only thing you need to do is putting together this lovely little tile, just like pieces of jigsaw puzzle, and make a map. In Zoom 0, all the world is one tile. In Zoom 1, this tile divides by 4. Let me check the borderline for better illustration. Okay. And in Zoom level 2, each of these 4 levels divide by 4 again for more details. In consequence, in Zoom level 2, there are 4 rows and 4 columns, 256 pixel wide of tiles, and so on until max Zoom level. For example, in Zoom level 16, there are 2 power 16 tiles in 1 dimension, and totally 2 power 17 in 2 dimensions. Number of tiles in Zoom level 16. Method of the render in HadiMap: find the appropriate tiles and put them in appropriate position of the map frame, according to the map center and zoom level. But where did these tiles come from? Take a look at this. A map tile from here.com, and this satellite view from Google, and this from OpenStreetMap. You can change X and Y and move left, right, up, down, or change zoom for more details. Oops. When you increase zoom one level, you must duplicate X and Y, okay? Therefore, each tile is identified by 3 parameters: X as column, Y as row in tile matrix, and Z as zoom. Let me find your city. Live. Okay. Fly. I really love cities with rivers running through them. Gorgeous. Okay. Highest resolution I have ever seen is for Google. In big city can zoom until level 21, but this application can support zoom 23, which in this resolution people faces shall be recognizable. HadiMap can run in offline mode without an internet connection in cities with low internet penetration, and also in online mode. In online mode, all tile files save in cache folder after download, for prevent download again and stuff. As you can see, all downloaded tiles are here. Let's have a look at setting. Here, in map tile setting, as you can see, you can have how many tile profiles you want. For each, there is a maximum and minimum for zoom level, and also a URL formula. But instead of star X, star Y, star Z, the app uses appropriate value of that tile. For speed up and boost application performance, every tile downloads in separate thread, parallel. In consequence, as a result, multi-thread processing, the application won't freeze while downloading tiles. HadiMap, like many other maps, use Mercator projection. Mercator, such as other projections, has some distortion, because you can't exactly replicate something that is 3-dimensional, like our planet, on a flat screen. However, it is the most popular projection because it preserves angles. The map takes into account this distortion, and as you can see, change map scale when I move to north. This distortion is only in world level. In a street level or even city level zoom, it is pretty accurate, and the majority of our users are looking down at street level for business direction and etc. There are two geographical coordinate systems, latitude, longitude, and UTM. Latitude and longitude values are traditionally measured either in decimal degrees or in degrees, minutes, and seconds. And in UTM, a position of the Earth is given by three parameters: the UTM zone number, and the easting and northing. There are 60 zones and a lot of rules and exceptions. HadiMap libraries have two functions for converting these units together. As you can see, a complex formula. What a stupid coordination system this is. I added UTM because my users in another application about Tehran fault analysis need it. Geotechnical companies often use UTM. Okay. Anyway, let's go back to map data. The second data type is vector. There are three principal vector data: node, polyline, and polygon. They are three low-level core elements which you can use them in your application to make high-level objects. For example, Obtuse, which use HadiMap, have road objects that are created from polyline. As well, a street object or GPS track inherits polyline. Markers, all POI, point of interest, such as speed cameras, post box, and gas stations, are created from node. Current position of vehicle, source and destination are another instance of node. And all areas and boundaries are created from polygon. Length of polyline or road is sum of length of each segment. There are functions in HadiMap library for calculation of distance of two-point map in Riemannian geometry and sphere space. As you see, I can change read-write properties. I can also make a geometrical change by dragging nodes or move completely. Length change. You can also put and organize your objects in separate layers. I really adore AutoCAD because it is completely object oriented and I try to make it look like that. You know, Charles, 3 years ago when I began Fleet Manager, I was very hesitant to use available maps such as OpenStreetMap and Google Maps or create my own map. And now I am very happy for my decision, because there is no any limitation. I create any feature that I need. Okay, recently I have written a class for a street. Let's draw a street. For instance, we can add any properties that we need. HadiMap can be used as map vector editor also. Take a look here. Some variant leads, for example. Yep. Vector data, very beautiful, in XML format, tags and values. Let's see a name. It is here, you maybe know. And also we can download whole a city in one file. Take a look here. Whole West Yorkshire in one compressed file, 35 megabytes. Okay, I think in our autonomous vehicle project we need more than this data. You know, this vector data is for limited usage. In this case, if I think right, let me know, Charles. So I could write an application for import this data and edit them. I'm very excited to do that. And at the end, some detail about routing. There is a lot of third-party route server on the net, and I use some of them. But Google is better than the others and more accurate, because it takes traffic condition into account. Look, here is Google Direction API. developer guides, and it's all parameters. And here very simple route in XML format and a lot of data and properties. This is nodes coordinations path but in 64 base for compression. Obture make appropriate URL and get Google service response, parse the XML and create a route object on the map. As I said, HadiMap is not an application. It is a useful tool for develop other GIS application and location-based services. In next videos, I present other application of Fleet Manager solution, Obture for optimizing city tours, and a hybrid genetic algorithm to solve MTSV, and two strategy to escape from poor local minima, and Shipment Monitor, an application for vehicle data collecting via a smartphone sensors and data transmission protocol between Android and server. Thank you, have a nice day and bye.